Here I have HAIER v5 and let me show you how to enable HAIER developer options on the following device. At the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's here find and select the settings. From the list of settings, let's choose all. Then let's scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose About Phone. Here you need to find and select the build number, so let me tap a couple of times on build number, and as you can see, you are now a developer, so you can go back and here you can use developer options. So you've got developer options under printing, let's tap it. As you can see here, you can use the following list of developer features. For example, you can here enable USB Debugging, let's tap OK. Here you can also allow mock location app, enable view attribute inspection, select debug app, and use the other developer features. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.